Shout out to Poland. I love Poland. I'm going there next summer.
It's cow appreciation.
And I appreciate Poland. Appreciation Poland. I am bringing you.
Okay.
Obviously.
How are you doing?
True.
True.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kozacs. Happy birthday to you. Look over here, make mama proud. Oh my God.
We're going to Joliet prison today.
No, we're not. We're not going to the Joliet prison today. We're at Honeyfields.
I feel like the only thing Tess says on the vlog is true.
True.
Honeyfields getting breakfast.
No big deal. True.
We could just go to the prison, not go in.
Not go in.
Just for the clickbait.
Angelica held hostage at prison.
I was asking you to hang out earlier.
Oh my God.
They think she's a prisoner.
It's so bad.
Oh, mistaken for prisoner?
Yes.
So good.
I feel like there's melted ice in here. I don't want it. I don't want it. I need new water.
Yeah.
I need a new water.
Where's the melted ice?
Do you see that?
There is no ice.
Do you see that?
There's no ice.
Do you see that? Do you?
That's water.
You know why Polish people can't even make ice? Because they forgot the recipe.
Wait, I don't get it.
Because there's no recipe. They're just calling Polish people dumb. You know why Elle can't make ice?
Because I'm Polish.
True. I hate ice. I'm literally tearing up right now.
You can't make it.
So, don't even talk about it. Salty. I say we should go. Just for the vlog.
Yeah.
I don't know how I'm supposed to eat this.
Oh my God. I don't know if you could see anything. But we just ding dong ditched Angelica.
She probably isn't even home. Let's see what she said. She just texted us.
Pull the freak over. Angelica? I don't know, but they're pissed off at you. They just turned their brights on.
Okay.
Dude, I can't believe we just ding dong ditched her. She wasn't
She
home.
wasn't even home.
She was
Joke's on
not
us.
home. We just ding dong ditched you.
We just ding dong ditched you and you weren't even home.
The first vlog has been made for Razmigos.
Oh my God, is it
No
posted?
way.
Is it
It hasn't been
posted?
posted. Fucking bitch. And it will not be revealed. God damn it. It's until
When's the release date?
July 30th. Until we reach 100,000 subscribers. That's the actual.
Right now. Look, we're going on the way to the beach. Just vlogging. You know, fidget.
Wait, I feel like you're holding it wrong.
Yeah. What?
What was that?
Sorry, okay, I'm not a vlogger.
So we made it to the beach. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. They're screaming at you.
Let go of what you see. Listen as it tells you of the place this used to be.
Vlog set with us side by side.
Revoke.
No, you aren't!
Yeah, you can't take your own pictures from your back.
I feel exposed.
Do something crazy. Keg stand. I am fidgeting, okay?
Stop!
You have a problem with this?
Yes, it's mine.
You would let me borrow it for the day, okay? How do you feel that we found the train station before the train got there? Yeah!
Step 5. Move around. You can dab to the movement with your upper body and move your lower body. You can hop around, walk around, or wiggle your hips. You can also do other moves in between dabs, such as waving your fists in the air, or moving your arms from side to side in little moves. Add your own flair and just try to have fun.
What does Kate want us to bring her
A little pot?
from Colorado?
Just like a little teapot.
Right? Probably.
Hey guys, we're just getting home from the beach. Me and Kaylee tomorrow morning are leaving for Colorado. So we're gonna be doing like separate vlogs, like one vlog in Illinois and one vlog in Colorado.
True.
And yeah, we just thought we would update you on our life.
I'm not sure when both of the vlogs are gonna be posted, but they'll be posted when they're posted, you know? You'll just have to see.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Peace, love.
We're not dying. Don't worry. We are alive. Hopefully.
Peace, love.
Happiness.
Yes.
Beach days.